Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's review, I wanted to give you a couple of squeezes that I think will be incredibly important as we get into the January expiration is going to be very important for single stocks. So I'm thinking about that from one frame of mind, thinking that after you get through that, we could see a considerable reset. And of course, February, I can't predict every wiggle here, but I'm wanting to think generally bullish into January expiration and then into the March witching expiration. So if any piece of that is going to work out, you're going to have stocks like Microsoft that agree with it. And the unique thing about this is that I'm not covering them just because there's been everybody's looking at the Mag 7s, right? But I'm covering them with you because of the squeeze. It's one of the signals that I've studied the longest, and it can do a very good job of providing directional signals. So as that squeeze starts to hook up in the histogram, I think we're looking at something that wants to fire in a bullish way. And if nothing else, we've got a pretty clear area where we'll know, or we should be able to enhance the probabilities of it. Because do you see how the 618 retracement of that previous decline is exactly where price is staying under? Well, as soon as we can get through that, that's where you start being able to target up into 386, and then there'll be another one up there closer to 390. So I think that could be a very meaningful bullish trade along those timelines that I quoted to you. So I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. And then the other one shows up on the weekly time frame of NVIDIA. Anytime you get through a Friday, it's a good time to review your weekly charts. We can see off of the current candle, we did have a better high and a better low. So there is still that way of looking at a trend following way of thinking. And again, a squeeze that's got some very serious compression. So once NVIDIA can reliably get above 500, I like to think that we could accumulate NVIDIA below 500 for the next couple of weeks. And then in the next 3 months, prices below 500 will look awfully cheap. So that's just my thinking right now. Obviously, I will keep you guys updated as it unfolds and those expirations get closer. But I hope you find it a helpful review. Have a great long holiday weekend. We'll see you guys back in the rooms on Tuesday. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.